Let's begin with the fourth problem. 4u square plus 8u equal to 0. So you can see both are 4 multiples and both have the u common. You take 4u common here. So u plus 2 is the remaining. So 4u equal to 0. One value I can get from comparing this 4u with 0, and u plus 2 equals 0. So u will be 0, u will be minus 2. So alpha is 0, beta is minus 2. Now tell me the ABC value. A is the u square coefficient 4. B is the u coefficient 8, and C is the constant. There is no constant means you have to write C as 0. Okay. Now substitute in the formula. Alpha plus beta equal minus b by a. So alpha is 0, beta is minus 2, and minus b by a is minus 8 by 4. So minus 2 equal to minus 2. Now take the product of zeros formula and substitute. You are getting 0 equal to 0. Hence verified, right? So next question, fifth question, t square minus 15 equal to 0. So when you have like this, no, t square equal to 15, it is like square root, no? So whenever you got x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. Likewise, t square equal to 15 means t is equal to plus or minus value you will get, and root of 15. Since you are not getting the perfect square, so root 15 you write it down. Alpha is plus root 15, beta is minus root 15. Now compare the values with the standard form, get the ABC. A is coefficient is, A will be the coefficient of t square. So 1 t square is there, so A is 1. B is coefficient of t, right? There is no t here. So the B value will be 0. C is the constant, minus 15. So A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 15. Just substitute in the formulas. Try by yourself. So alpha and beta are root 15 minus root 15. If you substitute, you are getting 0 equals 0. Product of zeros, if you substitute, I am getting minus 15 equal to minus 15. Just try by yourself, pause the video and try it for yourself. Sixth problem, they have given 3x square minus x minus 4. So first step is to middle term splitting method to get the alpha beta values. So when you multiply first and third term, I am getting minus 12x square. So I have to split so that I must get minus x. So 4 threes are, I'll get as when I multiply, I get minus 12. When I add, I'll get minus x. Minus 4x plus 3x will give me minus x, right? So just in the middle term, no, in you replace with minus 4x plus 3x, and group two terms and take the common out. So in the first two terms, x is the common, so 3x minus 4 is the remaining. The same thing I should get in this bracket. So already is 3x minus 4 here, so I am taking plus 1 as common. So 3x minus 4. So you take the 3x minus 4 common out, x plus 1 is the remaining. I'll be getting x value as 4 by 3, x value as minus 1. So alpha is 4 by 3, beta is minus 1. What is the next step? A, B, C value, right? Just pause the video, try for yourself, and then check out the answers, okay? A is 3, B is minus 1, C is minus 4. Use the formula of sum of zeros and product of zeros and find out whether all are equal or not. Just do it by yourself. So next Roman letter. Let's begin with the second Roman letter. Find the quadratic polynomial of given sum and product of its zeros respectively. So they have given sum of zeros and product of zeros values. Sum of zeros is what? Alpha plus beta, right? When you add alpha and beta, you're getting the sum of zeros value. So 1 by 4 is alpha plus beta, minus 1 is alpha beta, which is product of zeros. So just write it down. Alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Alpha beta is minus 1. You need to find the quadratic polynomial. What is meant by quadratic polynomial? That is, you need to find out the equation, right, which is quadratic equation. So we know the formula, right? X square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. This, in this place, you just substitute the given values. X square minus alpha plus beta is 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4 of x, alpha beta is minus 1. Just take an LCM. 4 is the LCM, cross multiply it. 4x square minus x minus 4. Just send this 4 to here, and you'll be getting the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is the highest power of the equation will be 2. So here 4x square minus x minus 4 equals 0, which is a quadratic polynomial. Whenever in the question they ask you to find the quadratic polynomial, no, you need to know alpha plus beta and alpha beta. If you know these two values, just substitute in this formula to get the quadratic equation. Okay. So all other problems are the same times. In the second question, sum is equal to root 2, which is alpha plus beta is root 2. Alpha beta is 1 by 3. Okay. Just substitute in the formula. X square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3 is the product. Just take the LCM for 3. and send this 3 to the right hand side. 3 into 0 becomes 0, and 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Third question you try for yourself. You'll be getting x square plus root 5 equals 0. Fourth question, alpha plus beta is 1, alpha beta is 1. Right? Just substitute here x square minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0. So you'll be getting x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. When you look into the fifth question, they have given alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4, alpha beta is 1 by 4. Just substitute here minus of minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, right? So you'll cross multiply it and take an LCM, 4x square plus x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this 4 you'll send that to right hand side, you're getting the equation. And last problem, just try by yourself. They have given sum as 4, product as 1. Just pause the video and try for yourself. So that's all about polynomial chapter. It is very easy, but you need to practice more questions on PYQs. So in our next video, will be teaching the PYQs on this chapter. So stay connected to our channel, students. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more videos on important question types of Adi Sharma and previous year question papers. So stay connected to our channel, students. See you in next class. Bye bye.